In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to favorites on Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access Google Drive. So, grab your computer or any device you prefer, open up your web browser, and type in drive.google.com. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your Google account credentials to reach your main dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders displayed. Now that you're on your Google Drive dashboard, it's time to locate the file that you want to favorite. You can scroll through your folders, or if you have many files and want to save some time, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the document you're looking for, and it should pop right up. This helps you quickly find that important report or presentation without sifting through everything. Once you've found the file, it's time to add it to your favorites, or as Google calls it, star the file. Here's how you can do that. Hover your mouse over the file name. You'll notice a few options appear. Right-click on the file, and a context menu will open up. From this menu, select Organize. You'll see an option to Add to Starred. Click on that, and voila, your file is now marked as a favorite. Now let's talk about how to access your favorite files anytime you need them. This is super simple. Look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Starred. Click on that tab, and you'll be presented with a filtered list of every file you have marked as a favorite. This way, all your important documents are easy to find. Whether you're working on a big project or just need quick access to vital information, having those files starred makes your life a whole lot easier. And there you have it. You've successfully added a file to your favorites on Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your important documents organized and easily accessible. It's a simple process that can save you tons of time in your daily workflow. If you have any questions about this process or need further clarification on anything, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Drive and other helpful tools. Tune in next time, where I'll be covering more handy features to enhance your productivity. Happy organizing!